Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. There are two methods of installation VS Code on your system. First is by the command line. Install the Microsoft.gpg key and repository by running the next commands. After that, update the package list and install VS Code on your system. You can start VS Code from the terminal by running the next command. Also, the second method is using snap. Run the following command to install the snap on your system. After that, you can install VS Code via snap by running the following command. Now, if you go into your desktop, you will see that there is two VS Code. First is by using snap method and the second is by using the command line method. Now you can start work with it. And that's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.